Meteorologist Joe Hansel with a look at your Tuesday, predicting severe weather threats across the nation. And thanks a lot for tuning in. Your forecast still brought to you by that Greek letter Omega. Omega block doing what it does and not really moving much. Trough of low pressure influencing colder than average air, rain, some mountain snow in the northwest, hot ridge for the central portions of the U.S. and cooler than averages, with another trough out in New England. Later this month, June 21st through 25th, we kind of flip that. Cooler than averages for much of the upper Midwest. Everybody else in the nation has a chance, to a likely chance, of warmer than average temps. But let's talk about some mountain snow. Wouldn't be a middle of June day without that in areas of Idaho, western Montana, western Wyoming. As expected, some areas in the high elevations, way up in the mountaintops, basically a half a foot to a foot of snow is possible. Not much, if anything, in the relatively lower elevations. To the southwest United States, not just the famous boy band, but also your high temperature forecast. Las Vegas near 98 degrees, a lot of 90s and 100s. Denver back up sweating away near 95. Elevated to critical wildfire threat is out yet again today. Red flag warnings for the likes of Flagstaff, Phoenix near Denver. And we'll watch for more fire weather concerns, unfortunately, for tomorrow. Would not take much for a wildfire to get on going. There are still multiple fronts out there. Area of low pressure developing in the western Atlantic today will bring in risks of heavy rain, marginal risk of severe weather to the southeast. Front stretching near Montana, marginal to slight risk areas of the Dakotas and near Glasgow, Montana. Large hail damaging winds, primary threats. Can't rule out a brief spin-up of a tornado, of course, and marginal risk with that Atlantic area of low pressure, Cape Hatteras to just east of Raleigh. Large hail damaging winds and tornadoes are possible today as that area of low pressure gobbles up that Atlantic moisture. We'll have to watch out for multiple inches of rain in far eastern North Carolina. Rain and mountain snow continue to work with that trough out west, and eventually a cold front will kick east, helping to bring more heat to the east of it as well.